Good morning, all you pigeon fanciers and pigeon racers up there. Today is Sunday, May 31st, 2020 at 0630. This is Dominic from 808 Sunrise Loft. Right now, the weather is overcast. That's it, the sun is rising. Winds is 2.4 miles west southwest, and temperature is a cool 73.5. Quick tour, quick update. This is my newly renovated Loft 4 with my Team 2 young birds. So this is loft number 4. This is loft number 3 with all these young birds was given to me by a friend. I think in here I have maybe about 70. So I had them for about 2 months now, and this morning I'm gonna release them right after I check out the loft number 3 with team A. Loft number 2 in the middle, that's all my cocks that I separated, and also loft number 1. I still got a few pairs still breeding. Again, let's go into loft number 3. So this is loft number 3, my 2020 young birds. Team B. In here I got some Fabrays and Jensen's Gardens and Leo Hermans. So my newly renovated loft. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. In here is all my Fabrays. I still got some pairs with some young birds. That silver down there is one of the last few young birds, and this red track. Then I got some babies in there yet. Like this in here. Gotta put them back in the nest. So this is loft number 5. Loft number 4 with Team B. And then let's go and check loft number 6. And back here is loft number 6. This is my Team A. This is the new loft that I created this year. Yeah. Come on, come on. So these guys is already going out routing, and they're almost ready for road train. Once Team B is routing, then I'm gonna start road training everybody. So in here I got another 30 birds. 30, and over here I have 28. And in here I got about, let's say, 50 to 70 birds. So this morning I'm gonna try and see what happens. I had these guys for 2 months now. Let's let them out. See if they go. Let me go from the inside. They're waiting for breakfast, I think. There they go. Again, these birds was given to me by a friend about 2 months ago. All of them, I got them all at the same time. Except this silver in the middle, that's my bird. There they go. Hopefully they do come back. That's all I gotta hope and pray, or they all might go back to the owner's house. There they are. Let me see if I can open the bottom so I can get the rest of them out. There we go. So I released it from the bottom and the top. I'm still surprised that the gate is down. There's some of them. They're ripping through the skies. We'll see how much comes back and how much goes back to the owners. Again, I had them for like 2 months. And I figure just let them out already. Stressful day. See what happens here. There they go. They're starting to leave. And this loft is nearly empty. There they are. Let's see if they fly back home or stay here. We'll see. I think they all went home. Oh, there they are, up there. They're getting some height. Yeah, they're heading home. Oh, oh, they're ripping through the skies. Oh, they all went home. 2 months and they're gone. And there are young birds too.